Hi everyone, I am Disha Tandon and this is the lecture 4 of graphic design course. In the previous video, we have covered a lot of things. We have covered how the interface of Photoshop looks like. We have also covered few tools such as selection tools. We have also known about the move tool and text tool and many other things also. And we have also got to know how they work and where we can use them. Now we'll move to other tools which we have not covered yet, and we'll also know how those tools work and where we can use those tools also. So let's start. Okay, so in the previous video we have covered how the interface of Photoshop looks like. This is actually the toolbar. This is called toolbar. We have covered application bar. This is called application bar. This is layer panel, character, paragraph, property, and we have also told you that you can set the layer, panel, character. You can use all of the panels which you need here. Otherwise, in the window we can see all these panels are available. If you want to open timeline, swatches, every panel we can open through window. Otherwise, we only need to keep layer, panel, character, properties, these here in the main work area. We have also covered these tools like what is the use of move tool. I've told you that every time we have to move anything, any object, anything from the panel, from this work area, we have to use this move tool, and the shortcut to is V. We have also covered these marquee tool, rectangle, ellipse, single row and single column marquee tool. We have also seen the use of selection tools such as object selection, quick selection and magic wand. This is a quick recap, you can say. We have also seen crop tool, and now let's move to other tools as well. So now we have this spot healing, remove tool, healing brush tool, patch tool. Let's see the work, what we can use. Okay, so let's see, I have a photo, this old photo. Copy it and we'll paste it here. Okay, so we can see there is a lot of cracks in the photo, and this seem to be a very old photo. So how we can remove all these what do we call these patches or these cracks from this photo. So let's use the first, we have this healing brush tool, how we can heal the patches, you can say. So we have this spot healing brush. Okay, so spot healing brush tool is used for healing small spots, like we have this small spots on the face of this model, we can say. Let's first convert it into a smart object. Okay, so we have this spot healing, remove, healing brush, patch tool and this. So first we are using this spot healing brush tool. Spot healing brush tool is used to remove any small spot. So how we use it? We'll click Alt, we'll press Alt. Every time we have to use a spot healing brush tool, we have to press Alt plus, let's see, this is a black spot. Okay, we'll click on sample all layers. So it will select all the layer in this. Okay. See, the spot has been healed. This black spot, I'll just click on Alt and it's healed again. Every time I'm pressing Alt and clicking on it and then the remove, it removed this spot on the face. Okay. So we can use it on the models also while doing the retouching of the photo. So every time we have to remove a spot, we'll just press Alt and click it on the area where we want to remove the spots. So this is the use of spot healing brush tool, you can say. To remove the smaller spot, we can use this spot healing brush tool. This. Another one is this remove tool. Same as it seemed to be from the name, remove. It removes. Let's say I want to remove. I've taken this remove tool and I want to remove this area. It has removed. And let's say I like to remove this. So it will select it and it automatically will remove that area from the photo. See, it's removed, but again, the brush, everything has its range, you can say. So it will not remove this big area. Let's see, we want to remove this. So it's removed. It has taken the color from nearby and it's removed. Let's see, we can remove this and we keep the brush bit smaller. To scale the size of brush, so means to make it big or to make it small, we just need to press the bracket key. I've told you earlier in the previous class also. So we'll make the brush bit smaller and select this. And it's healed. The crack is already healed by this remove tool. Means we have already removed this crack from the photo. Okay. So now we have another tool which is called healing brush tool. Healing brush tool, same from the name. It will heal the spot. Everything you are seeing, these are called retouching tool, you can say. And these are used to retouch any photo, to remove any spot from the photo or anything. And this healing brush tool, it has healed this spot. Almost every tool has the similar use, but we use it differently as per our use. See, it's healed. Okay. Now we have another tool. This is called patch tool. Now what is the work of patch tool? We'll select this area. Let's say we want to remove this is the fine area. Okay. Now this is making a selection. Okay. Can you see? What we have to do? We have to just take this patch tool. We'll make a selection. We'll drop and drag here. Okay. So what we'll do? We'll just select the patch tool. We'll select the area we want to recover and we'll drop and drag it here. Now another one is this content aware move tool. So we'll cover it with let's say with generative fill. I'm leaving it for now. We have another tool, that is red eye tool. Same, it from the name it seems like it remove red eye. We have seen many photos like in the photos we get red eye sometime due to light or anything due to camera effect. So red eye in the picture, not this red eye. Okay, let's see, this is a model and this we can see our red eye here. Let's just copy it and we'll paste it here. And now we'll use this red eye. See, it has removed the red eye. We just have to take this red eye tool and we'll click on the red eye and it will automatically remove the red eye. You can see the difference. This was before and after using the red eye tool, we just have to take this red eye tool We'll just click on it and it has automatically removed the red eye in the photo. Let's use another photo as well. Mm, of this maybe. Seems a bit horror. Okay. Again, it is a very small photo actually. So we'll take this red eye tool. We'll just click on it and it has removed the red eye. So every time we get red eye in our photo, we know we can use this tool to remove. We do not have to worry much. Okay. So let's close it all for now. So we have covered this healing brush tools. Okay, by healing brush tools, we can actually remove everything in this photo which is damaged. And if not, I have another thing also. Um, Again, I have to hold black and white photos. I have to take. So what we can do now? AI is so much in trend that every other person is using AI. So we should also use AI in a photo. So now, if you don't want to use these healing brush tools, and let's say you don't know how to use, so what we'll do, we'll just convert this layer to smart object. We'll go to filter. Then we have this option called neural filter. Okay. Now generative fill and generative AI is so good that it removes, it does not let you do all the hard part do. It automatically restore the photo. We have this option also called photo restoration. We'll download this photo restoration and we'll use this photo restoration effect in our photo. So we do not have to remove every single scar from the photo, every single this crack from the photo. It automatically will remove by using this one tool only. Let's wait till it's download, because earlier we have used the spot healing brush tool, eraser tool, healing brush tool, patch tool. Every tool was used to remove these photos. But if we want to restore this photo in just one click, we just have to use this feature. And another other than it, we have this also, skin smoothing. So it will smoothen out the skin. Let's use this first. Okay. So this is before, we can see. Let's look at it closely. This is before doing a smoothing and this is after. It has smoothened bit and it is also showing we can use blur more, we can smoothen more skin. Okay. So we have used this skin smoothing option. We have also activated this photo restoration. So let's just click on it. Photo enhancement will enhance the picture. And this is option of scratch reduction, so it will reduce the scratch. Processing on device, it is showing. So we can see a lot of difference, a lot. We can see the difference in the face. It has improved a lot. It has enhanced the face, photo is enhanced, and also it is processing on device for the scratch reduction also. And we have few more layers of adjustments like noise reduction, all this blurriness or all this grunginess you can see, you are seeing in the photo, we can reduce that, color noise reduction, everything, because the AI has become so smart in the Photoshop. It has evolved with the time. See, it has removed all the scratches from the photo. We'll click OK. Now see, this is before using that neural filter option and this is after. So what we have used in the neural filter, we have used this skin smoothing option, this one, and this photo restoration option. Okay, by using these two options only, we have done this. Like this is before and this is after. We actually could not have done this with these tools. All these tools we could not have done this just so quick. So we should know how to use these tools, as well as we should know how to use uh, AI in our work, because it makes our work so much easier. So this is how the photo has been restored. We have another option also in the neural filter. We'll again go to filter, neural filter, and let's say this is a black and white photo and we want to make it colored one. So what we'll do, we'll colorize it. We have the option of colorize. So I'll just quickly download this colorize option. Well, I'm using the Photoshop 2025. Okay. So all these options are available in this. In 2024 also these options are available. So I'll just quickly download this colorize option and I'll make this black and white photo to a colored photo by just a single click. See, can you see it? And we'll press OK. See, before and after, so much has been changed. We can see, we can just look at the face, and this was before, this was after. So this is the use of AI in the uh, process of photo restoration. Okay, we have seen the use of these tools, healing brush tool, and also the filter we can use to make our work so quick and faster. Now let's see, we have this image. We'll just copy this image and let's move to another tool, which is called clone stamp tool. Now what is the use of stamp tool? Let's see. So now I have added this image. Now let's see how to use this one tool. This is called clone stamp tool. Up same from the name, it seems like it clones the any object which is in your photo. So let's make the brush little larger and we'll just click on it and we'll paste this here. Okay, again I'm showing. What I'll do is I'll just take this clone stamp tool. Okay, this clone stamp tool. I will add this. We have to every time click Alt to take a sample. Okay, I'm taking the sample from here and I'll just move it here. I'm taking the sample from here and see, the birds has been moved. It has been cloned. So again, I'm taking the sample from here. Every time I have to press Alt and paste it here. Okay, so let's see, the more we make the brush larger, the more area we can select and the more birds we can create. I'll just click on it and I will just paste. And everything has its limitations. So it's also means it's also covering the colors nearby. So it's also covering this reds, this yellows. So what we have to do is we have to take the sample from a smaller area. Okay, from the smaller area. So I'll just take the sample from here. I'm pressing Alt every time I'm clicking on this. So press Alt and paste it here. Just click on Alt, then this. Okay. So by using clone stamp tool, we have created this much birds. But let's say if we don't want any bird in the sky. So what we'll do is, let's again take this image. Okay. Now, what we'll do? We want to remove this. Okay, we have made more birds using clone stamp tool. Now we want to remove these birds using clone stamp tool. So what we'll do is we'll press alt and paste it here. We'll press we'll press alt and paste it here. Same will do. So it is removing the birds. See, we'll click on alt and brush over here. As it also select the nearby area, so we have to take precaution before selecting the source area. See, many words have been removed. But again, if we want to do our work quickly and if we don't want to waste so much time on using tools, so Photoshop has become so much smarter that it has introduced generative fill, which is actually the life saving, you can say. So what we'll do is we'll just actually I'm using this rectangle marquee tool. I'm showing again. This is rectangle marquee tool. I'm using rectangle marquee tool to select this area. Okay, I have selected this area, this much area. I'll just right click on it and I'll click on generative fill. Now generative fill, I can type remove or not type remove. It generates, either it will generate more words or remove the birds from the area. So I have typed remove. So I want generative fill to remove all these birds. So it's generating and it has removed all the birds from my sky. Again, I'll just select all these birds. I'll click on generative fill and generate. Now again it will remove all these birds from the sky. Wait. It takes little bit time, but it work so beautifully that you will be amazed. So this is before and this is after, how beautifully it has removed all the birds. And let's say if we don't want to remove all the birds from the sky, okay, then and we want to add more birds. So what I'll do is I'll select this area and I'll right click. I'll click on generative fill and I'll just type create birds maybe. So it will create some birds here also in the sky. Wait. And 3, 2, 1. Oh, it has generated a swan. So that is the use of generative fill. It is unpredictable actually. And it is showing more options as well. This and this. So I think generative fill was used better to remove these words, not to create these birds. I think we should use generative fill more to remove these birds. And see, these all are different layer. And let's see, I don't want all of them in the different layer. I just want all of this into the one layer, because if I close the eye of this layer, then birds came up automatically. So to merge all these layer, to make all these layer 1, this remove generative fill and layer 3, I want to merge all these layers. So I will just select all these layer by click on this layer 3, control generative fill, control remove layer. I'll select all 3 layer and press Ctrl E. So we have another shortcut also. We'll just press Ctrl E and we will make all these layer into one. So now This is the layer, the new one, which has no words. So this is the use of generative fill, and this is the use of clone stamp tool also. So we have seen how retouching tools work, how the AI can make your photo the more it can enhance your photo more than you can do, and how generative fill can remove the bird beautifully by just a single click. So now we have another tool also, which is called eraser tool. From the name it erases, obviously. So we have this eraser tool. We have three kind of eraser tool, background eraser tool, and magic eraser tool. So let's take the eraser tool first, and we add this layer. So I have taken the eraser tool, and I'll just erase. So it has eraser tools. Tool will erase all the area which I will just select from my mouse. Okay. So we have the use of eraser tool, as simple as its name is. It will erase the area where you click it. We have this background eraser tool. So we'll just click on it and it will remove the background. Again, we have this another tool, magic eraser tool. From the name it automatically will erase the same color. Earlier we have seen this in magic wand tool. Sorry. Yes, magic wand tool. Magic wand tool will select all the area of similar color, and this magic eraser tool will select all the area of same color and will erase it. Let's see, I will click on this black area, so it will erase all the black area in this image. So that is the use of eraser tool. So today we have covered these spot healing brush tool, remove tool, healing brush tool, patch tool, red eye tool. Then we have also covered the eraser tool, background eraser tool, and magic eraser tool. We have seen the use of it, where we can use it. And also we have covered this clone stamp tool. Clone stamp tool is to use to clone any item, right? To clone any item, any object, we will use the clone stamp tool. We have also seen little bit use of neural filter, because it has a lot of options. So we have seen the use of neural filter in first in enhancing the image. We have colorized the image. See, this was before actually, and this is after using the neural filter. This has colored the photo. This has actually enhanced the photo. This has removed all the scratches. See, this was before and this is after using the, what do we call? I don't know why it's hand actually. Yeah. So we have seen the use of neural filter. We have also seen the use of generative fill. By using the generative fill only, we have actually removed all the birds from the sky. So yeah, that was all for today. We have covered a lot of tools, the healing brush and everything. And we have also used generative fill, and we have also seen the use of neural filters to colorize the image or to skin smoothing. And we'll see more use of it in the upcoming videos. And I will again say, the more we use the tool, the more we'll get to know about it, and the more we'll get to know about the practical uses of these tools. So yeah, we'll cover more things in the upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.